Welcome back to M&A Ambassadors, becoming the USP, the ultimate sales professional. Now, in the previous video, we addressed a specific question about economies being stable in Dubai or UAE compared to Europe and the rest of the world, because a concern had been voiced that the economy in Europe more stable than Dubai, and we dealt with that in the previous video. In today's video, I want to talk about a report that came out on the 14th of February, and all of you should download the report. It was the Savills, S-A-V-I-L-L-S, the Savills Prime Residential Index World Cities report. Now, this report mapped 30 cities and their performance in real estate last year. Now, who is Savills? Because it's important for you to believe in them and also be able to sell the source to your client before you sell the statistic. Now, Savills is a UK-based organization and they have been in business for 160 years. They have over 40,000 people working in 70 countries across 600 offices. 100 of them in the UK alone and 500 spread around the globe. A very, very credible organization, and most of the governments actually do refer to their reports as well when they're deciding residency-related, real estate-related residency programs. Now, according to the report that came out on the 14th of February, it profiled the performance of markets in 30 cities in the year 2023 and gives a projection for this year. Last year, on an average, worldwide, property prices increased by 2.2%. That's right, 2.2% last year globally. Dubai clocked it at 17.4%. I think you can now see why investors are all making a beeline for the Dubai market. This year, the Savills report has projected a drop in prices worldwide, and they are marking the world average at 0.6%. 0.6% as a capital appreciation. If we look at the Knight Frank report, the Savills report, they're all projecting between 5 to 7% for Dubai this year, and you have Realist projecting a 15% increase in prices this year. So the market is in a very healthy position, so investors can, without any concern, continue to invest in Dubai. In terms of rental yields also, Dubai has become #1 on the planet. The average rental yield was 5.1% globally. In the last 3 years alone, Dubai has had a 42% increase in rents. Another interesting information in that report is about the cost of the home buying. You see, in Dubai, the cost of home buying is less than 10% of the actual property value, between 7 to 8%. That includes things like the registration fee, the commissions to be paid out to the brokers, all the administration fees that have to be paid in, the DIWA registrations, and everything included comes to around 7 to 8% in Dubai, whereas it is on an average 15%, more than 100% extra for all other countries. The average worldwide is 15%. That also makes home buying in Dubai attractive because it definitely affects the returns each year. One more point that came out in the report, which I think is very important, is that many of the popular cities in the world, particularly in the ready homes, is going to see prices drop, because even though the increase in rents, increase in interests have stopped, the sentiment, the negative sentiment towards mortgages hasn't dropped yet. So according to the report, we are going to see drop in prices this year in New York, Los Angeles, San Francisco, London, Seoul, Hong Kong, Singapore, and 3 of the major cities in China, Shenzhen, Guangzhou, and Hangzhou. So when you look at this report, the city that has emerged as #1 in the world, both for capital appreciation as well as rental yield, is Dubai. Please download this report, read it, understand who Savills is and the actual statistics in the report, and share it with your clients and use it to explain why in 2024 the city to watch out for in real estate opportunities is Dubai. I want to thank you for joining us once again on M&A Ambassadors, becoming the USP, the ultimate sales professional.